Hello, hope you're fine. This is Mohammed Usman, and in this video, I will explain to you how you can generate OpenAI API key. So first of all, you just need to open this link, platform.openai.com, and hit here. You just need to log in at here. If you don't have an account, then you just need to sign up. So after login, I can see the settings icon on the right side. As you can see, then you will just click at here. You will see the API keys and the projects at here. So you can generate different API keys for different projects. So let's say we have one project, default project. So we will just generate the API key for the default project. So at here you just need to click create new secret key, and I just name it test2 and select a project. I just select a default project and create a secret key. So after that, it will just giving me the API key. So you just need to make it copy on the saved place, so because it will not visible at here, so you have to copy this one. So that's all done. So if you have any question, just leave a comment. I will sure reply you. Thank you very much.